Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to buy TikTok coins using a Visa gift card or credit card. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on vital information and not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your TikTok app on your mobile device. Alright, once you're inside TikTok, go ahead and click on your profile down here. And then once you're inside your TikTok profile page, you want to scroll up and click on the hamburger looking icon, and then click onto settings and privacy, and then from here you want to click onto, sorry I meant to say balance, click onto balance, and then you want to click onto next here, next again, and then get it started. And now this is the page where you'll be able to buy your TikTok coins. So for my situation, I haven't bought TikTok coins before. So to make a first coin purchase offer, bonus coins and animated gift, so click on get. And then first coin purchase offer, and then click on get 8 coins for 12 cents. Or you got recharge amounts here. So recharge to get bonus coins. So if you scroll and have a look, you've got all these different options. So if you buy 350 coins, you can get 100 bonus. And the more coins you buy, the bigger the bonus will be. So if I go ahead and select this one here, 350 coins, so you get 450 for $8.59. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now this will bring me to the page where you make the purchase. I've already got my card saved in TikTok like that. So for me, I just simply go click on buy. But if you don't have a card saved, this is where you can go ahead and add your credit card information or your Visa gift card. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.